Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Java runtime and compiler versions so you know the mismatch source. First, run Java version or check Eclipse about to see the JVM. Then open your project properties and set the project JRE and build path to the desired JDK. Make sure compiler compliance level matches the JDK. Enable project-specific settings if needed. Once done, clean the project to force a rebuild and prepare for the next configuration step. Now you align build time and runtime environments so compiled class versions match. Open Eclipse preferences and add the exact JDK under installed JREs, then edit the project's JRE system library to use that JDK. If you use Maven or Gradle, update the source and target levels or toolchain settings to the same Java version. Once changed, refresh and run Maven/Gradle update, then rebuild. This prevents class file major version mismatches at run. Finally, you rebuild and run with the corrected settings to validate the fix. Clean the workspace and rebuild the project, then verify the run configuration uses the same JDK under the JRE tab. If you deploy to servers, make sure their JVMs match the class version too. If the unsupported class version error persists, inspect external libraries and replace any compiled with a newer Java. As a troubleshooting tip, run Java verbose on the class to see its major version and confirm the exact mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.